Friends, you can see how pretty are the birds sitting over there. Hello to all my beautiful people there. Welcome back to my channel once again. Today I am going to share the various type of birds which I have seen when I visited Singapore Zoo, which is also known as Jorang Birds Park. Jorang Birds Park has almost every species to impress avian lovers, along with fun exhibits, interactive show and of course its charming residents. Friends, this video display views taken from inside of Singapore Zoo. Check out the various Highflyers and exotic animals in this video. Friends, as we know, parrots are beautiful birds featuring strong curved bill and there are roughly 398 species found worldwide. Macaws are a group of New World parrots that are long-tailed and often colorful. They are popular in aviculture or as companion parrots. Friends, whenever you visit Singapore, don't miss to enjoy the Highflyer show and birds of paradise. So without any delay, let's enjoy the show with me.
We're going to win the match this time, right? Ready to save it. Okay, now, Mr. Gonga, what's it? Okay, now the pool part. This time we're going to be cheering for Jody here and the Ringo. We're going to be cheering for Poppy. Okay, now Poppy and Jody. Take your position. Now, by the way, I have 5 balls with me. And whoever scores the most will be the winner. Let's go into match this time, right? Okay. Now, once again, try to play that ready. Now, cheerleaders, that ready. On your mark, get set, and go! Come on. Who's going to score the first ball? Hurry up, Poppy and Jody. Looks like Poppy is the lead now. Come on, Poppy, and it's a tie. One from Poppy and one from Jody. Hurry up, Jody. Come on. Wait a second. Jody! Jody's gonna follow, and now it's 2. Oh, what last one, Poppy? And the winner is Jody! Well done, Jody. Good job. Okay, you're too nice today. Let's go, guys.
One more.
One more race. That's not where I'm Mr. Gongon. You won the match, so I won the match. That's good, right? Okay, now let's give the hand to Poppy. Poppy is not today. We're not possible next time, right, Poppy? Okay, so now we have Jody for our next act. We're going to test for his eyesight today. As you can see, we have Chico with what he drives in one of the pools, and Jody will try to find it. Let's see what you got, Jody. Easy at it, Jody. Yep, you got that. Well, you guys can guess what the eyes is too. Close on the eyes, Jody. Are you looking at the eyes, Jody?
Africa, the birds. With the sexy long legs, supermodels of the wild, let's give it up for Great Flamingo! enjoyed it. Very for a while, we are going to usher these birds back home to make way for our photography session, okay? So if you are interested, do stay on for that. If you like to bring home some memories,
There you go. There you go. Come on, Jesus. Bring it up here. There's a dancing. Thank you, Miss Alice. Thank you. Go.
Friends, if you really found the exploration of Singapore and Malaysia birds park nice, please do let me know through your comment, and please do subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me for more entertaining videos like this. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Friends, do connected with me. Stay healthy and stay happy always.
The storms we chase are leading us, and